Hey, it's Matt Versteeg with iAutomate here, and I promise to show you the 7 keys that you need in order to optimize your images the right way. So what we're looking at here is a folder of images for a local business. Now, the most important thing that you need to know before you go and do this, in order to get an SEO improvement for your client or for your lead generation site, is that they need to be JPEG format. Don't try using, GIF or PNG or something else because you cannot add the geographic data that we need to those photos. Okay, so once you have JPEG images for your client or lead gen project, what you need to do is you need to add a few different elements. Okay, so here are the elements that you're going to need. You're going to need first the file name itself. Okay, and you can rename that by just clicking rename and typing whatever you want here. Okay, so you're going to need that. You're going to need the title and the subject. So if you right click and go into properties and then details of the image, the title, the subject, as well as the comments and author sections. And then the last part is the geographic data or latitude and longitude data. Okay, so what do you put there? What's the best thing in order to place there so you can actually get some SEO benefit out of this? Well, keywords. Okay, keywords in these places. Okay, the file name, the title, the subject, okay? And what do you do for keywords? Well, keywords that you actually want to rank for, as well as Google My Business categories, which usually will be a pretty strong crossover with what the keywords you want to rank for are anyway, and the city and state as well, okay? So I suggest not doubling up and doing the same keywords over and over. You want to use variations so that way each image has a different keyword or category assigned to it. The other thing that you're going to want to do is in the comments section is add the business's information. So the name, address, and phone number and website of the business. And then also we place the website again in the author field. Now the last part, which you're not going to be able to do right from right clicking into your image, is adding the latitude and longitude to the images. This is really important because Google actually looks at this. If you actually upload these photos to Google, they'll put a push pin on a map right in the city where the business is, and it will be right where the business is at. So, I mean, Google absolutely looks at this as a sign of where your business is located. So this is a great optimization point. So there's different tools online that will let you do this, but you do have to do this separately from actually changing the keywords within the image. Okay, but once you do those, these can be used on Google My Business listings, image sharing websites, and other places, citations around the web that will all give you a geographic boost to what you're doing. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. We'll be back in another video coming soon about the new way to optimize your images. So maybe this was new for you, maybe this was a refresher, but I think you'll really like the new way to optimize your images. It's about 10 times faster than this, and it works really well. So watch for that coming soon.